and welcome back to layout number 3 for the 4for4 series. If you've missed the other ones, back up and watch. But this is a series that Janet is doing on her channel, RTS Scrapbooking. The links will be down below. She shares all of the ways to create your kit, the sizes to cut your paper, and what papers go with each layout. So that's all I'm following. So go check hers out for the dimensions. I'll show you, this was layout number 1. Layout number 2, and now we're ready for layout number 3. This is the background that I chose. This is from A Perfect Autumn in Echo Park. So it is a fall collection. It's a cut-apart sheet, but I loved the brown, and so that's going to be my background. These are the 3 papers that we're to use on this page. And I have pretty much decided I am not going to use this one. It's a little bit bright on this for what I want to do. And I have these border stickers here. And for the photos that I want to use, I really wanted to use this ruler, because this is a little game that we were playing at Silver Dollar City. It's for the kids, but we were having a blast. So I wanted to do the ruler, just kind of telling the story of, it's really hard to get those little frogs to move down there. So I thought the ruler was a great way to bring that into the story and into the layout. So I think I'm going to push it up to the top and then put the borders and just keep everything up there since I only have the one photo. In the beginning, I really thought that I was going to do it this direction and pull it over, which would be very pretty. And I knew not to do that because then I'll start changing my mind. And I just want to get some layouts done very quick. That's why I'm doing this. I shared in the first video that when I've not scrapbooked for a while or I'm having trouble getting going, then I usually go look for challenges, sketches, something like that to get me going. And I just do not have the time to sit and contemplate a lot of different decisions. So it's time to just glue it down. So I'm going to put that where it leaves just a little bit of border below. And then let's just put this down here, which I may go ahead. I've been inking everything with my walnut stain distress ink from Tim Holtz. Even though all my collections, or all my papers, are from basically the same collection, I liked that little bit of antiquing, since everything I am doing is a fall layout. You could, of course, use papers that weren't fall, but okay, I'm not going to push that down very hard. I think I want to use this one too. I'll go ahead and antique it. So if you haven't found Janet's channel, be sure to go over and check out her channel. She is incredible how much she is getting put up. I don't know where she finds the hours in the day, but I am glad that she is. Okay, so I actually would love to have that up underneath there a little bit. But since it's a sticker, I don't think I'm going to be able to get it up, even though I didn't press very hard. Yeah, no time. Go with it. That's going to bring my design pretty far into the page, but that's okay. And I'm just going to put this up here. I can use that on layout number 4 possibly, or the cards. Last time I used this little strip here. It's orange and part of the wood grain from the Okay. Don't know if that's paper or whatever. Just going to ignore that. Okay, I'm going to put this over here. I've already pulled out stickers. You can see all of the product that I'm working with in the first video that I shared where I pulled my kit together. So I won't go into too much detail of those, but I will have links down below to the products, and I'll have links to Janet's channel. Okay, so I think I want to do some little fun embellishment down here, so I pulled out that little flower wreath, and I want to get that little saying in there. So I've already set that up thinking I want to use that. I loved this. It says go where the wind blows, and since this game is kind of like you're turning these really, really fast to get the water pumped to move the frogs down the ramps. But the wind helps, and I thought that was kind of cute. So I've thought about tucking it up underneath there. And I have some flowers. I also had these little die cuts, which I thought were cute. The colors match, and it goes in well. So these are just the embellishments that I've pulled out. This is what I'm thinking of using. I had that. I actually kind of put that together. Kind of all stuck together. So those are the embellishments that I'm going to use. And I want to just be mindful of how that is, because I want to make sure that it clears the top of that. So that's going to determine where my photo is going to go. So I may just go ahead and put that in. And I'm just going to lightly tack it in the center because I have a lot of these other embellishments that I want to tuck up underneath it. So, okay, now that I have that in place, I'll go ahead and do my photo. And I want to leave room for that. And I want to make sure when I put this in that I'm over the top of that edge. And this is going to go here. I really need something to cover up that corner. I also pulled out these little mushrooms. I don't know where I would use mushrooms on a layout, but I thought with the frogs and the outdoors, maybe it would be fitting. So I think I'm going to try, maybe I should put that up there so it'll fill in that gap so you don't see it. So if I do that, so I just don't want any of these little dead spots in between my stickers where it trap your eye in there. And I was thinking I had one more little small mushroom. Oh, and I wanted to say my photo mat, this was my bonus paper. So I cut one of the 4x6 cards that had this aqua, and that's what I framed my photo with. So that was my bonus sheet. Okay, let's see if I can find a little mushroom or something fit in there. Oh, okay. I don't know. I have this little bow. Used another one on another layout, so I thought that would be kind of fun. I'm not sure who won this round, or if, I can't remember if I gave up or if I came down here and cheated. Let me actually pull that up higher. Now the chipboard, I know I will have to go back and put adhesive under. Ah, covered up my hubby's head. So I just want to get some more orange throughout here, so I think even if I cover part of that letter up, I think you'll know what it says. So let's do that. I'm at the very end of this, and I'm wondering, nah, not worth it. Pop some of that up so we'll have some different dimensions. I'll go ahead and ink the edges. And just put it right there where it's overlapping everything. I want a little bit of this leaf down here showing. But like I said, I think you'll still know what that says. I have these little puffy stickers that were from Maggie Holmes. I just want to get some of those in. Add a little bit of black throughout there. I have this that's kind of black. I want to go ahead and put these words in as well. I've got one more. Put down here, up there. I think I want to put it up here. Again, I'm going to take it over the top of the paper. The only thing left is I wanted to try to get some brads in. So I have this one that says number 1, which I thought was perfect. This one that's polka dots. So I think I'll just put them something like that. And I'll go ahead and put a little bit of pop dot underneath there, underneath this leaf. Again, it's not pop dotted the whole thing, just the top piece where it'll make it stay up. And it just gives it that little bit of extra dimension. And I think I may do it on that one as well. And then I think I want it underneath the little mushroom. Because this piece is a chipboard, so it's more dimensional and going up higher. But this will just cause that to come off where the leaves and everything underneath it will just be a little extra dimension. Go ahead and put my bow there. So I'm going to put my brads in, and then I think I'm going to call this layout good. So I have my brads on, and then I decided I don't have any of that aqua up here in this corner, so I want to get some aqua. So I went ahead and pulled out my enamel dots. And just put a couple around. I may even add another little dot around here. So I have it in the leaf or on the pattern paper, so I'm going to put it inside the sticker. And then about one small one up here. Same thing, put it right on top of the sticker. So that gives me a triangle. Last one up here. I feel like I got two that are really close and then one far away. So I think that's going to call it good. And so that is layout number 3. Another fabulous layout that I love, so quick and easy to do. Thanks to Janet's measurements and kind of a little bit of planning, so it took out all of the decisions for me, other than embellishing, which is my favorite part. Alright, that's it. I'll be back with layout number 4 really soon. Be sure to check out Janet's channel. The links will be down below. If you haven't seen the first two layouts or my kit that I share what I've creating with, then back up and watch those, and then come on back. If you're not a subscriber, click that subscribe button and then click the little bell and you'll be notified when the next video is up, and I will be back with layout 4.